Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, 2% of the entire farming operations are family-owned and operated farms. That means that 98% of our country is fed by the fruits and labor of this community. Well, today we're in Hermiston, Oregon, and home of the Circle C Equipment Corporation. With the majority of the country dependent upon your trade, you need a company with dependable equipment that ensures productivity. For over 35 years, Circle C has been building equipment by farmers for farmers. From farming challenges to innovative solutions, Circle C emerged from hands-on experience. Their products were derived from ideas driven out of necessity and showcased a deep understanding of the farming landscape. Recognizing the unique challenges faced by farmers, Circle C transformed their innovative solutions into groundbreaking equipment that addressed real-world farming problems. Circle C equipment has never lost that connection with farmers in meeting their needs and challenges. Their philosophy lives on to this day with this family-owned and operated business at the helm. Abiding by Circle C equipment's founding principles of building quality, advanced farm equipment made by farmers for farmers is not just a business, it's a part of their culture. At Circle C Equipment, their mission is clear and unwavering. They are dedicated to helping farmers throughout the world help themselves by providing the industry with the latest equipment and technology. Circle C Equipment, committed to helping farmers become profitable for generations. Visit them at circlecequipment.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.